This is Lady Flora, and there's a little sunshine on my shoulder. I just saw a little blue heron, and I like to call them Inky blues because to me they just look like a long, skinny writing utensil that you would dip into a little pot of blue ink or something. But they're really cool, and they live mostly in the Gulf states, and they eat frogs and fish and insects, and they have a long beak and a long neck and long legs, and they're awesome. They're my favorite heron. I also saw a white heron, or an egret, I'm not sure, but he was a little bit shy and he didn't want to be filmed, so he ran away. But it's about 61 degrees out, very sunny, really beautiful, especially considering yesterday was cold and gray and rainy. So I hope you get to go outside today and have a wonderful day.